Three.
Hello, my name is Donnaleen Lanktree, and I'm a member of American Rosie the Riveter. I'm a daughter of a Rosie, which makes me a Rosebud. We have daughters, granddaughters, great-granddaughters that are members of her group, and we have the gentlemen are also members of her group. They're called Rivets. I'm here today speaking at the Roseville Library and giving them a little bit of stories of the Rosies and what they did. The women did everything from making chocolate to making boots to building planes. Thank you.